Listen, Forex ain't no hustle for the faint of heart. But if you stay locked in with me, I'm going to show you how to flip your trades like a boss. You feel me? Today, we talking about smart money moves. That's right. Not just trading blind, but trading like the big boys, hedge funds, institutions, all them. If they getting paid, we getting paid. Now let me put you all on game. First thing first, we starting with that New York session. You know how the markets move out here, right? When Wall Street opens, that's where the money flows, baby. Step 1, marking that open range. We break down that first hour on the charts. High and low. No trades till we see where the market breathing, you know what I mean? Step 2, waiting on that strong move. We don't jump on any little candle. Nah, we wait for that displacement. That's when price moves. Like it's on a mission, no hesitation. Step 3, retest and attack. Once we get that breakout and retest, that's our moment. Like a lion waiting on his prey. We jump in, tight stop, and let the market do the rest. Step 4, risk management, yo. We play with that 2-to-1 risk to reward. Stop loss tight, take profit real. We ain't trying to guess, we trying to win. Now remember, we ain't just looking at one trade and calling it a day. Nah, we stacking up consistent wins over time. Just like you building anything real in life, you gotta be patient. But once you get in that rhythm, it's like clockwork. Stick to the plan. Let's make this $20,000 real quick. Yo, if you vibing with this and you trying to get rich with me, smash that follow button. More heat coming your way. We all eating over here. Peace.